Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crypto Potluck. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I've been busy working behind the scenes. I know I haven't posted a video in 2 days, and you guys might be thinking, where the heck is Crypto Potluck? I haven't forgot about you guys. I have been really just trying to build out what the future of the Crypto Potluck could be, and then really how I could bring, the cryptocurrency botting community together in a way that can help make us better investors. Because we have something right now, but there's a lot missing, and I think that this is going to be the first step in fixing what is missing, and will give us a good platform to grow off of. So right here, this is going to be our new website, the first website I built. I was not impressed with it. I tried to build it out, and honestly, I hated it. So I got rid of it. The domain is stuck though. I'm working on changing it, but right now we changed it to cryptopotluck.net. This is going to be the new official website. You can go here. You can find all of the information on trading bots, and I'm also going to be giving you valuable tutorials on how to trade the market with a trading bot. I will also be releasing other tutorials and other videos that the same quality that I'm doing here. It's all going to go here, except there's going to be, for example, like tutorials for Eonbot that will specifically be on this website. They'll be a lot shorter, so it's not going to be like a whole talking video. It's going to be literally just information, where it will be how to use a ping pong strategy, how to use a Bollinger Band strategy, how to do like how to execute on the bot. So I'm really going to try and keep those under 10 minutes, and it's going to be quick how-to videos. So if you guys have a how-to video that you would like for me to do and to demonstrate for you guys, please let me know, and we'll be working to integrating that and getting it out for you guys, so that you guys can figure out the right ways to use the market, figure out the right tools to look at, and hopefully be able to pick up on the rhythm of the market and be able to trade it successfully. So with that said, let's just jump into it. On the website down below, this is where you're going to be able to find the latest videos being published by me. You can also see all videos, educational strategy videos. That's basically all the strategy videos is going to be the 5 to 10 minute videos talking about a particular strategy or how to trade, with a cryptocurrency program. With funny throwback videos, this is actually going to be noteworthy videos. It's going to be the same quality content that I have always put out, but it's going to be the ones that I actually thought were really well made. The biggest critic of myself is me, and there's a lot of videos that I don't think are good, especially out of all of the ones I've made. But there's a few videos that I've been actually able to really work on, and I think that these are videos that you guys will think are funny, or that will give you something cool to watch. So these are only going to be the good ones. So it's only going to be a handful. So if you want to watch some really cool videos, check those out. Join our mailing list. If you want to enter in the giveaway, I'm actually pushing it a week from now, so we're gonna call it the giveaway is going to end 1 week from today. Today is March 18th, so expect the giveaway then. And basically anybody that subscribes to our mailing list, you're gonna have to, if you went to our last website, you're gonna have to redo it. I'm sorry, I tried to integrate it, and I just had to move it, and it's a sacrifice I had to make. So you have to re-register an email address. I know it's a pain, but it will be the last time you'll have to register an email address with me. And basically, I'm not going to send you guys junk mail. I'm only going to send you guys valuable information, like the trading strategies, or I don't know. It will only be valuable information for things that are going on in the market that you can use to your advantage. So as far as down below, we have Facebook and Google attack crypto. Fight back by liking this page. It's hard to grow this channel. It really is. I put in the work. I put in the effort. I create as awesome content as I can. But honestly, Facebook and Google, I've noticed even YouTube's algorithms, they really do not like cryptocurrency being talked about, even if it's not, like for my channel. Like my channel, I've done nothing bad with crypto. All I've really done is basically educate, and try and help other people learn the industry, and that's really what I wanted to do, is educate people and help people become the best investor they can become, you know. And it's sad that I've been attacked. I've been, my Google like advertising account got banned for no reason. No ad was ran, but they saw that I had crypto in my name, and then they banned me. Facebook is also banning cryptocurrency. So what I'm seeing here, like I've said before, is we have the old tech versus the new tech, and we really need to spread the word of cryptocurrency. We really need to grow the community, and we really need to fight back, because censorship of innovation, it never ends up working. And we really have to make sure that innovation wins, so that we can continue to grow as a species and continue to grow new dynamic markets such as cryptocurrency, and lead into the future. You know what I mean? So I really think that the censorship is bad. I really hate that they didn't even have a real person to review anything. It feels like I didn't get a response. It was just a ban. So like I said, that was really, really annoying. If you want to support the channel, I'm not going to grow other than word of mouth. So if you want this channel to grow, if you want me to be able to put out this quality of content, if you want me to continue to teach you guys what I know, just share. At the end of the day, that's the biggest thing you can do. So let's just go up to the top. Eonbot versus Profit Trailer. We got a lot of interesting information over here. This is going to give you a rundown of the two bots. This is going to give you my honest comparison. It's a month old, so it's a little outdated, but honestly, the same principles are there, and I think 90% of it's still accurate. So you'll still get a general idea of what the two bots have to offer and how they are different, and the pros and cons associated with them. So over here we have our setup guide. This is going to be your setup guide to get Eonbot installed. Everything broken down as simple as possible. I basically broke it down to just the tutorial, so you're not going to be watching anything you don't need to watch. It would literally just be how to install this or how to get this up and running. So for a virtual private server and for setup Eonbot, I cut down a video, and I basically just showed just the installation process. So it's going to be like a 13-minute video, but after you watch that video, you will have everything you need to know about Eonbot, and you will have it set up. So I highly recommend checking this out, especially if you haven't. You can also download Eonbot from this link. You can also get to our Eonbot wiki, where you can find a bunch of more information, a breakdown on the strategies, and really just how the bot operates and other useful tools. So really take advantage of all this. You can also see we got a little section for Profit Trailer, which will give you some useful links and get you in the right direction. So, and this is really what I wanted to develop, and this is my question to you guys. How would you guys like me to develop this? Right now, I have a general idea where I'm going to be posting strategies. For example, we have two strategies right here, where you have like the ping pong strategy. This video will teach you the ping pong strategy with Eonbot, how to use it, how I use it, and what type of a chart would look good for this. You know what I mean? For a ping pong strategy. So like if this is the strategy for whatever coin you're looking at. Then we also have a buy sell strategy for Eonbot, which I think will be the Spark, maybe roller coaster strategy, but this is another good one. I'll continue to post videos like a DCA strategy, maybe Bollinger Band strategy, and really work on the dynamics of it. And if you guys end up finding a really good strategy, like a scalp trading strategy, or a good hourly or a good 15-minute strategy that you'd like to submit, we can really have competitions, and we can really have rewards at the end, for people that are able to find the best strategies, create the best strategies. And my whole idea is, we can name the strategy off of you, or whatever name you want to name it, and it could be locked in. You know what I mean? And because the thing is that cryptocurrency market is so dynamic, and I think that's the one thing that everybody is starting to figure out, is it's all over the place. You know what I mean? So I feel like the cryptocurrency market is slowly going to start to feel a lot more normal. And it's really going to be about understanding the rhythm of the market and being able to, trade it. And I don't think that any one person can do it. This is why I created the Crypto Potluck. It's because it's a community. It's about bringing a whole bunch of people together to, I guess, work on becoming the best investor, work on trading strategies, and being able to submit one. You'll learn, like this group of strategies is good for a bull market, this group of strategies is good for a static market, and then this good group of strategies is good for a super bull market. And then we can group them up, and then we can deliver that to you guys so that we can, grow from a 1% day, gain up to a 2% gain, 3% gain, or just really blow it out of the market. It's all about working together, and that's really what I want to develop these tutorials with. I also want to bring in an area for you guys to contribute, where if it's a valuable thing that you've created. For example, I know so like a Fire Dragon, he's another person that has been in the Eonbot community who actually created a really good Google sheet for calculating Binance and the profits you've made. So like for anybody that creates something dynamic like that, or is able to contribute to the community, I want to have a section where we're able to post it. If anybody else is able to come up with anything, hopefully we can eventually come up with what is needed, and we can grow it out, you know what I mean, and we can acknowledge who's done it, and we can reward them. There is, of course, the shop, so check that out. I'm not going to plug too hard, but basically you can find all of the trading tools I currently use for cryptocurrency trading here, and you can get to where you need to make a purchase, and it will explain how to do all that. So there is also, I have Discord. If you guys haven't yet, most of you guys already have joined the Discord. Wonderful community. YouTube, Facebook, and a new Twitter channel. All of that is added. And then in the future, I have one more big thing up my sleeve. It's not released yet, and it's still very much in the beta. But basically, I want to eventually work so we can connect and build out this website and connect it maybe to some of the bots, and maybe be able to get you some valuable information and be able to use it to your advantage. So we'll see what ends up happening with that. We'll see what all of that mystery means. But with that said, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'll go back to posting regular videos again now that I have this pretty much, I guess, the foundation developed. I'm going to continue to build off of it, but like I said, really just suggestions on what you want me to cover. I think the way I'm going to go about, I guess, the trading, I could continue to do it day by day, but I really think that it would be best if I did it like once a week. We do a weekly recap on how Eonbot's performing or how Profit Trailer's performing, and then we're able to use the other videos that I can create on tutorials and how-tos to really give you guys the knowledge to be successful in this market. So that's really the way I was looking at it. If you guys have any objections, let me know. If you think that that's a really good way, also let me know. Like, subscribe, and share. And I really appreciate all you guys for being so supportive in the Crypto Potluck. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, you are your own investor.